Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays, which is an open collaboration hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and me, Raina with LYLO Crafts. We would love for you to join on in. Just use that hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays and then tag both of our channels just by putting the @ and then looking for our channels in the description below so we can find your video. Today, I want to feature these beautiful hydrangeas, and these are all made with this one single die that I got from Beebeecraft. I'll put a link to Beebeecraft, this die, and a discount code for $5 off a $40 purchase in the description below. And if you have 100 subscribers and would love to try some free products, you can apply for their program, and I'll put a link to that also. So, utilizing this die, you can see that it cuts the flower, the leaf, a layering piece, and these sweet little petals that you can add, a bow, a butterfly, in the stem. And so, when you cut it, this is what it makes. This is without adding any petals. So it makes the mark, but doesn't cut each of these little petals out. So what I did was I just flipped it over, and then with my little pokey tool, I just went in here and then I just bent these leaves up. And when you do that, you get this gorgeous effect. Now, you can also layer in some additional petals on top to make it even more full and more dimensional, like I did with this. And on this one, I actually layered up the leaf too, and I've used the bow. Now, you can combine these. So I made this leaf going this way and this leaf going this way, and look how beautiful this would be with like a Merry Christmas. These are perfect for thinking of you, for birthday, for sympathy. You can make them colors, you can watercolor them, so many different things that you can do. Plus, if you don't use all the bows for your design, if you were putting two together, just think you can use all these bows on other projects too. I love those bows. They are so pretty. And the butterflies too. Like you can put them flying around to make like a scene. So I love that. The other thing you can do is combine them. So you can do one that is flat and one that is fluffy, and maybe you can put the flat one behind the fluffy one, so that you would be stacking them like this, like on your card, to make them more dimensional. I think that is a gorgeous look as well, or you can have them going in different directions and stack. I wanted to show you this other idea. I wanted to cut more of these individual ones out, and when I did, on my scrap piece of paper, it cut a half flower. Now, I think this would be awesome to layer in to one of your flowers. So I'm going to do this. I just want to show you, look how beautiful that is. So it can even look like another flower is behind it, if you just glue it that way. So that is what I'm going to do with this offcut, is put it behind like that and make it look, and pop this top one up to make it look like there is another one that is behind it. So many ways that you can use these sweet little hydrangea embellishments for Christmas, for spring, for Easter, for any time of year. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. And we would love for you to join in, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.